Hey, welcome to my channel. It is I coming to your screen once again. This is going to be about why I won't interlock. I've interlocked throughout this lock journey one time. I only had my hair interlocked twice. One on my first set of locks and then once on this set of locks, this is my churred set of locks. So got my inner hair interlocked in for my 6-month hair maintenance. Every side is supposed to be on. I'll go ahead and insert the thingamabob. I'll go ahead and insert the video about my 6-month lock journey update where I did get my hair interlocked, and I didn't see it as a problem then. If you interlock and it's worked out for your hair, great. If you retwist, palm roll, and that works out for your hair, great. If you crochet maintenance and it works out for your hair, great. That's all we want, is for it to work for you. Whatever it is working for you, let it work for you. But this is why I don't interlock. I need access to my scalp. I need to be able to go in and do whatever I want to do without worrying about messing it up. So I was like, all right, boom, let me try to do the interlocking, because I think at the time I didn't have the coin for crochet maintenance, because crochet maintenance was just a teens more than a little teens higher than interlocking. So I was like, let me go ahead and try it. I didn't see any adverse reactions the first time I got it done. Did that, my hair was cute, everything was grand. I had nothing fell out. That's not what I'm talking about. Nothing fell out or anything like that. All 112 are still there. So what had happened was, months later, I started to notice some things as I was touching my hair. And it's still here to this day. The spots that got interlocked never swelled. And so if you don't know what I mean by swelling or anything like that, is whether you get I'm not gonna say whether, because I really don't know about the interlock of what it's supposed to do. I just know what it did to me under this particular circumstance. Is when you get retwisted, or even when you do interlocks, not interlocks, possibly interlocks, when you do the crochet maintenance, retwisting, it's supposed to, your hair is supposed to kind of, puff up. You feel me? Get a little juice. You feel me? Get a little meat. Mets ton petit poisson. But in these particular locations, basically all around my head, they never swelled. So to this day, I can tell you exactly where my 6-month mark was for each lock, basically. I'm not gonna say each lock, but for maybe, because I haven't gone through each one, because my hair doesn't look bad, so I kind of just chalk it up to the game as inexperience or just like a bad move. But say, for instance, with this little edge piece right here, can y'all, I don't know if you can see it right here. Can you see? There you go. Can you? Come on. Don't look at me. Look at this. Would you focus on? Ooh, my lips is ashy. Hold on. Wait a minute. What is my chapstick? Why didn't you tell me I was out here giving ashy Larry? I guess that's my responsibility to have checked beforehand, huh? I was just smacking my lips on some food. I guess I done smacked away all the moisture that was freaking there. But back to what I was trying to do before the ash really interrupted me was right here. See that divot right there? Here's the good, another good one. This is a different one. Right there. So basically, around my dreads, I know what the 6-month mark was. So my hair was just this long at 6 months. Okay, this is what I was given. See this little sprout? If I put it up to my forehead where my hairline starts, boom. This is what I was sprouting like. Right here. Oh, here's the front piece. Boom. This is what I was given at 6 months. You feel me? Now we at 2.25 years. If this has happened to anybody else, or if any loctician can describe what has happened to me in this story. So basically, when I got my hair, and like she washed my hair and oiled my scalp with castor oil, plain castor oil, and then she went and interlocked. Now, when she went and interlocked, you know, my hair was still quite moist. You know, I didn't go under the dryer at all. Not to say that I want to go under dryer. Like I prefer, like when I wash my hair regularly, I just air dry. If I was if I was the person capable of actually retwisting and having it last, and not freaking unravel on me in 2 seconds because the scalp needed some attention, then, you know, I would go in there with my own clips. You get it for like $3 at the beauty supply store, go with my own clips and walk out and let it air dry my own instead of going underneath the dryer. That would be me. But I go under the dryer now with these crochets because your hair has to be dry prior to getting it. And so that's what I'm thinking, in my layman's opinion, that she shouldn't have interlocked my hair while wet. She should have thrown me underneath the dryer for however long it took to at least dry the roots, the new growth, and then went ahead and did it. So, you know, because when something's wet, you can definitely tie it, I feel like, tighter than you would be able to tighten dry hair. You get what I mean? I feel like with the crochet, why it needs to be dry is so that way, because your hair is actually like super fragile at that point. So the sharp needle going through your hair, or the needle going through your hair, can possibly break it. That's what I'm thinking the logic is. And kind of the same vein of with the damn interlocking. I don't know, child. I ain't a lockologist. You feel me? And Yanni don't explain nothing about damn techniques, but it's cool. I'm just saying, unless I figure something else out, otherwise I ain't doing it no more. I'm gonna stick to what I know and what I like. So if you're a loctician or you've had locks, have you ever had an ill experience with interlocking? So yeah, that is the end of this video. If you would be a dear, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, ding. Okay. I've been working out, y'all. I've been working out. I've been feeling myself for real, feeling myself. We on the road to 1,000 and we're getting there. Come join the festivities. It is always live and direct on this side. All right. Deuces.